Hi. Okay, a quick catch up. I've had my Pan America now for 18 months. I've travelled over 16,000 miles. I thought I'd just give a bit of a, this is what my experience has been. So, let's get the bad stuff out of the way first of all. So I bought my Pan America. Mine was an ex-demo, so it's a 2022. I bought it in July 2024, and I paid the princely sum of 11,000 quid on it, which I thought was quite a bit of a saving. The things that have gone wrong, I had the battery replaced almost day one, but that was pretty much because the bike had been sitting in the showroom for 2 years and nobody had actually put it on a trickle charger. A couple of thousand miles in, I had the infamous right hand switch gear issue where you flick the kill switch and the bike don't turn off for 3 to 5 seconds. That was replaced under warranty, and when I had it serviced they also flagged up that there was an improved starter clutch to be fitted, and again that was done under warranty. So that was most of the nasties out of the way. The other issue I had was I had a heated grip fail at about 10,000 miles, and the other one, which a few people have had, is I had the inlet manifold. There was a hairline crack in the inlet manifold. Now, it might be pure chance, but that occurred the day after some arsehole of a Romanian truck driver knocked me off my bike. He actually reversed into me and knocked me off the pan. As the picture shows. Now, what that resulted in was the pan, when it got up to temperature, the idle wouldn't go below 2,000 RPM, but at the end of the day, that was in Austria, and I rode it. I spent 2 more days riding around Europe, and it got me home. So, those are all the issues I've had with my Pan America. The bike itself is absolutely amazing. Bit of context, I'm 60 years old. I used to be a dispatch rider. I used to do about 50-60,000 miles a year on motorbikes, so I've got a good idea about what a motorbike is, how comfortable a motorbike is, and I'm going to say it, the Pan's probably one of the better motorbikes I've ever had. I mean, it goes around corners, it accelerates. I've ridden it all over Europe. Wind, rain, yeah, even French motorway rain, and this thing just laps it up and doesn't miss a beat. We've had temperatures in the high 30s, still ain't missed a beat. Up alpine passes, down alpine passes, back roads, autobahns, anything and everything I've thrown at this bike and it's just shrugged it off. So yeah, if I was going to do it all over again, would I buy one? Yeah, definitely. Should you buy one? I don't know. I don't know who you are. What I'd say is go out and ride one. Don't listen to strangers on the internet. Yeah, actually go out and ride one. And not for like 10-15 minutes. Go and see if you can get one of their dust to dawn rides or whatever, and just really take this bike out and ride it like you've just nicked it, is my advice. Because it's an amazing piece of kit. I've just renewed the warranty on my bike for another 2 years, because it's a really complicated bit of kit, and why would you not get an extended warranty? It works out about £1 a day. So, I mean, everybody bangs on about the Pan America and what an ugly bike it is. I mean, it used to be the ugliest bike on the planet, I guess, until BMW brought out their new GSs. I don't know. I don't buy motorbikes to sit and look at them. I buy motorbikes to ride them. It don't look that great from the front, but you look at it from the right hand side, it's a gorgeous bit of kit. I guess the only follow-up things on this would be in 16,000 miles. Now I'm still on my second front tyre, but I'm on my third back tyre. Don't judge me. Still on the original chain of sprockets. I've changed the brake pads all the way around, and that's about it. Oh, and I put a sundowner comfort seat on it, because when I was doing like 8-hour days around Europe, it was like riding around in an armchair. Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for listening.